Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs community streamlit session. So today's topic is spam detection. In this application, we will check whether our text contains spam or not. Let's head towards it. I have copied the text from internet. See, free entry in a 2 weekly comp to win FA Cup final tickets 21st May 2000. The message itself seems to be a spam. So let's check it. See, the model accurately predict your comment is a spam. We will try to check with other inputs. How may I help you? Let's check whether this is predicted correctly or not. You can check that your comment is not spam. So in this way our model predicts spam. So you can try it yourself. The link is given in the description. To check the source code for this file, just go to file section, open app.py. You will get all the source code available for this model, how the model is trained, how it is predicting, all you can see here.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.